हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज सुकृत बनकर और आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं 6 बुक्स दैट कैन improve your personality physically, spiritually and mentally. As you know, reading books is a valuable habit that can benefit you in your life. There are various benefits of reading books. It can improve your vocabulary, it can improve your knowledge base, it can improve your communication skills, helps to improve your attention span. So today I'm going to suggest you 6 books which are bestseller books in their category. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So the first book I'm gonna tell you is As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. It's a small book that beginners can start off. It gives insights about how powerful the thoughts that come in our mind are. It tells us how we become what we think. James Allen tells how we can utilize our thoughts to improve ourselves physically, mentally, and spiritually. In this book, there is a beautiful quote from James Allen that is, "A person is limited only by the thought that he chooses." So this is the best book for beginners to start with. The second book I'm gonna recommend you is Atomic Habits by James Clear. It's a very popular book. In this book, James Clear talks about how small changes can lead to big differences in your life. For this, he provides some simple hacks that you can implement in your life. In this book, he tells about the stories of some successful people that you might relate to and can help you make your life more productive, meaningful, and happy. The next book that I'm gonna recommend you is What Are You Doing with Your Life by J. Krishnamurti. It is a brilliant book by Krishnamurti which addresses some questions of who are you? What are you doing with your life? What's your purpose of life? What is the significance of this life? And tells you how to live your life to the fullest. This book helps you psychologically and spiritually. So it becomes a must-read book for everyone. The fourth book I'm going to recommend you is The Psychology of Money, yet another popular book. This book teaches you how to be productive with your money and how to manage your wealth. It explains the psychology behind the wealth and how to take care of your assets and take profound decisions to grow your wealth and your assets. The fifth book I'm going to recommend you is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. It will unlock the potential of your subconscious mind. It helps you to use your subconscious mind and get better in your life and your work. It's a best-selling book worldwide with over 1 million copies sold. In this book, Joseph Murphy has given some incredible ideas to control your subconscious mind and do productive things with it. These were my 5 top picks that I would recommend every beginner to read. Let me know your top picks in the comments below. At last, I would say thank you. And for more content like this, please do subscribe to this channel, press the like button, and happy reading.